my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about average cost of health insurance in USA. Health insurance premiums have risen dramatically over past decade, while more variables were in play. A decade ago, the number of factors that can impact your health insurance premium decreased with Affordable Care Act in 2023. The average cost of individual health insurance for a 40-year-old on a silver plan is $560, a 4% increase from 2022 plan year. Average cost of health insurance. Average health insurance premium by tier. Average health insurance rate by plan type. Cost of private health insurance. Factor that impact health insurance rate. Frequently asked question and methodology. Average cost of health insurance. One of primary factor in your individual health insurance cost is your location, as prices will vary depending on the state and country in which you live. In this first table, we look at health insurance premium for 2023 and how they differ by state. How much does health insurance cost in my state? State, monthly cost and percentage change from average. Then find cheap health insurance quotes in your area, and you can easily find that how much is health insurance in 2023. From 2022 to 2023, health insurance rates across the nation increased by 4%. Georgia saw the largest year-over jump in health insurance cost for a 40-year-old on a silver plan, increasingly by 20%, including Georgia. 36 states had their rate increase on average from 2022 to 2023. Year-over-year rate decreased the most in Virginia and Louisiana, which fell by 17% and 10% respectively. Overall, 10 states experienced a decrease in health insurance premium, and one state, Vermont, saw no year-over-year change. Here are few details as well. Average health insurance premium by tier. Health insurance plans are separated into tiers based on the proportion of healthcare cost the insurance plan is expected to cover. The silver plan falls around the middle with moderate deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance. The catastrophic and bronze plan offer the smallest amount of coverage, while platinum plan offered the greatest. The average rates paid for health insurance plan generally are inversely related to the amount of coverage they provide, with platinum plan being most expensive and catastrophic and bronze plan being cheapest. The following table shows the average rate a 40-year-old would pay for individual health insurance based on tier. Older consumers would see their rate increase according to age scale set by federal guidelines. Thank you so much guys for watching.